Hi friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. The BTC is again giving some bearish signals on the daily and the short-term chart, but on the long term, it is still giving the bullish signals. First of all, I would like to show you the different support and resistance levels on the daily chart and the different patterns that the Bitcoin is forming, like this up channel and the pennant as well. And I would like to show you some different harmonic moves on the daily chart as well. And at the end of this video, I would like to show you the bullish signals on the weekly and on the monthly chart as well. So let's start the video. First of all, I would like to take you to this movement of the Bitcoin where the BTC was trying to break out the resistance of the $10,000, and on 1st June we had a very strong spike by the candlestick up to $10,429 as per Bitstamp exchange, and even on the 2nd June we had the spike up to $10,241. But now it is moving between the $9,500 and the $10,000, and we have more touches at the $9,500 support. So it has found the recent support at $9,500. If this support will be broken down, then our previous support will be $8,800. Then the price action may retest that support as well. Now, if we watch this up channel movement, then the BTC was trying to reach up to the resistance of the channel, but without reaching at the resistance that was up to around $10,800. It is dropped again, and it is moving down up to the support of this channel. But before the support, we have the 25 simple moving average support, and at this time the price action is moving above this support. This is a simple moving average with the time period of 25. This is a 50, and this is 200, and this red one is the 100. Once this 25 simple moving average will be broken down, and then the price action can retest the 50 simple moving average that is around at $8,900. And if we want the movement of the Bollinger Band, then it is moving towards right side and showing no way or no tendency to move up or move down. At this time, we can see that it is flat and moving at the right side, giving no signals that whether it will be moved up or moved down. But there is some bit critical thing that we have the lower bands of the Bollinger Bands, or the support of this Bollinger Bands below the support of the channel, and we have the resistance of the Bollinger Bands, or the upper bands of the Bollinger Band below the resistance of this channel. Therefore, whenever the price line will be trying to move up like it tried here, we will have a strong resistance of this Bollinger Bands. And when the price line will be trying to move down below the support of this channel, then we don't have any resistance by the Bollinger Bands that can stop the price line like it stopped here to move up. And therefore, we need the Bollinger Band, the movement of the Bollinger Band, to move up as soon as possible to give the support to the candlesticks. So far, it is giving no signals. And on the same daily chart, the price action of BTC has formed a pennant. At this time, we can see that the price action is moving up after making an attempt to break out from the resistance of this pennant on the 1st June. And I have also placed the EMA 10 and the exponential moving average 10, that is the blue one, and the exponential moving average, or EMA 21. And at this time, the price action is again using these two EMAs as a support. As we can see in the previous history of this bullish move of the BTC, it has been using these two EMAs as support very well, and so far these two EMAs has provided very strong support to the price action of BTC. Therefore, unless the price action will not break down these two EMAs and this EMA 10 will not cross down the EMA 20 and form a bear cross with the EMA 20, we cannot expect any strong bearish move by the Bitcoin. However, at this time, it is showing the bearish move as we can see that the price action after hitting this resistance moving down, and the EMA 10 is also moving down. And if we watch this harmonic move by the Bitcoin, then on the daily chart, the BTC is forming continuously different harmonic moves and patterns. For example, here, the price action formed a bad pattern, and after reaching very close to the potential reversal zone. That was very close, not entered in the potential reversal zone, but that was really very close, because the potential reversal zone or buying zone of this bad pattern starts from 0.786 Fibonacci sequence, but it was retraced up to 0.782. That was really very close. However, after that, the price action has started the formation of another harmonic move or pattern, and this time, after this initial leg, it is retraced between 0.618 to 0.786 Fibonacci. This is the first confirmation of the bullish Gartley pattern, and after that, it is projected between 0.382 to 0.886. This is the second confirmation, and now we need the retracement between 0.618 to 0.786 Fibonacci level, as it was retraced here. Then a perfect bullish Gartley pattern will be appeared or formed, and after that we can expect a bullish divergence or upward move by the Bitcoin from this potential reversal zone that starts from $9,317 and ends up to almost $9,000. Therefore, we can expect a bearish move on the short-term daily chart up to this level from 9,300 up to $9,000. And now let's talk about some bullish signals on the long-term chart. First of all, I would like to show you this multi-years based symmetrical triangle that is formed by the BTC. And this triangle, the formation of this triangle has been started since 2017, and after that we can see that this resistance of the triangle has become a very strong rejection line for the price line of Bitcoin. Whenever the price line reaches at this resistance, it is being rejected again and again, and at this time the price line is struggling at this resistance. And as in my previous video, I told you that we are having a very good position of the moving averages. For example, the 50 moving average is above all, then we have the 25, then 100, and then 200 is below all the simple moving averages. Now, once this 25, the smallest moving average, will become above all other simple moving averages, then a complete opened alligator mouth will be formed by the SMAs, like it was formed here back before the 2017, and we had a very powerful bullish, parabolic bullish move by the BTC. So only this move is due so far. We have the 200 below all the simple moving averages, then 100, then 25, then 50 simple moving average. Only the 25 simple moving average is remain to cross up the 50 simple moving average. Then we can expect a very powerful bullish move, as we can see that at this time the price line is at the end of this pennant or symmetrical triangle. Therefore, at this time, or this is the decision making time for the price line of BTC to move up or break down the support of this triangle. Therefore, we can expect a breakout. Therefore, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 supports of these all 4 simple moving averages just below the price line. And if we switch to the monthly chart, that is really very long-term chart, as one candlestick represents 1 month. Then we can see that the Bitcoin is moving and having a very strong support above these EMA 10 and EMA 20 moving averages, the exponential moving averages. And here we can see that in the month of November 2019 and in the month of March, the EMA 10 was moving a little bit down, but at this time it is moving up and lifting the price action up. And the EMA 21 is also moving up. So this is a very bullish signal. On the long term, we can expect that these two EMAs will lift the price action up like they lifted here back before the from 2016 to 2017. We can expect the same move like we had here, and we also had in the previous history as well. Now, I would like to recall this very big bullish Gartley pattern that was formed on the monthly chart, and I predicted that the price action will be reversed from here, from this potential reversal zone, and it will at least enter in this Fibonacci projection of A to D leg that is from $8,600 up to $12,070. But I have also predicted that if the price action will cross up this 0.786 Fibonacci level, then it will be really very easy for the price line to move more up and to achieve the highest price ever in the history of the Bitcoin. This will be a very big hurdle for the price action of BTC, that is around at $12,000. And I'm just playing this chart, then we can see that we are having a sequence of green bullish candlesticks. This is the second candlestick, and one candlestick is being appeared above the shoulder of the next of the previous candlestick. That is very bullish signal, so we can expect the next candlestick might be appeared above the shoulder of the previous candlestick as well. So this was the update so far. If I'll have more updates by the price action of BTC, then I'll definitely share with you. On the short term, I'm expecting a little bit down move, but on the long term, I'm bullish on the Bitcoin. So if you like the video, then do hit the like and do share my videos as well, and do share your comments in the comment section with me. I'll definitely try my best to reach out your comments and reply your comments as soon as possible. Take care. Goodbye.